What's up, guys? We're here at Harris Teeter today. Going to do a little food shopping to show you guys some of the foods that I get to recover after a workout. Sometimes it's a quick snack, sometimes I have time for full-on meals. So I wanted to show you some of the best foods that you can eat to recover after a game, after a workout, or after a sweat. Is blueberries. Blueberries are great in antioxidants, help replenish your body, and are a really easy snack that you can pack in the car in a cooler. So blueberries are good go-to. In addition to replenishing your antioxidants, they also help repair the damage to your muscles that happens during workouts. So blueberries are easy, yummy, and very, very good for you. Another great option are bananas or other potassium-rich foods. They help replenish your body and prevent you from cramping. So they're super easy. Again, you can leave them in the car, yummy, and will help you recover super fast. Another awesome food you can eat are sweet potatoes or chocolate milk carb-heavy foods. Sweet potatoes aren't as easy to eat as a banana or a blueberry right after, but if you stick them in the oven, nice and low before your workout, you can come home, have a really yummy carb-loaded meal. Another great food for you to eat post-workout is salmon. So, like sweet potatoes, not super convenient to eat right away, but these fish and salmon in particular is loaded with omega-3s and really healthy fatty acids. These omega-3s and other fatty acids that are in salmon and other fish really help reduce inflammation in your muscles and in your body, so they're an awesome post-recovery snack. Chicken and other lean proteins like turkey, pork, they're also awesome recovery foods for you to eat. Protein is super important when you're working out to help kind of replenish your muscles, fix the damage that happens when you're working out, when the fibers start to break and are stretched. Protein helps kind of glue everything back together. So lean proteins like chicken or fish, awesome. Last but not least, water. Water is something we don't really think about, but it is super important not only to drink before, but after. When you work out, you get really dehydrated, so it's really helpful to replenish your body with water so that you're ready to go for your next workout and throughout the rest of your day. So these jugs are a super easy fix. You can carry it with you all day long. While the ice cream and fun food is delicious, it is by far not the best thing that you can eat for a recovery. So make sure you check out these 6 foods next time you go to the grocery store. Some are very on the go, others take a little more prep, but it'll help you feel recovered and strong for your next workout.